Meet the compact cordless tool, the Spit Pulsa 27P. Isn't just any fastening tool. It's designed to make your toughest jobs feel effortless. Powered by gas and a compact battery, it fires nails into concrete, steel, or masonry in just seconds, so you can breeze through projects without constantly reloading. With a magazine that holds up to 40 nails and a battery that lasts for 3,000 fixings, you'll get the reliability and speed you need on any job site. And at just 3.7 kilograms, it's lightweight enough to use all day without wearing you down. The Spit Pulsa 27P is priced at $800. The TBH-4S501 scraper utility knife is more than just a regular tool. It's designed to make every task, from cutting to scraping, feel effortless. With its high-quality stainless steel blade and ergonomic non-slip handle, this knife provides both durability and comfort during extended use. The blade extends to 100 millimeters, giving you precise control, while the knife remains lightweight at just 150 grams, making it easy to handle. Whether you're trimming materials or scraping surfaces, this knife offers efficiency and confidence. The price of the TBH-4S501 scraper utility knife is $25. The Kreg multi-purpose project blocks are crafted to lift your workpiece off the surface, making jobs like painting, sanding, and routing a breeze. These lightweight yet sturdy blocks can support up to 200 pounds each, keeping your materials steady thanks to the non-slip rubber grip. Their pyramid shape gives you access to the edges, and they're stackable for when you need extra height. Perfect for any project. These blocks save time and effort, all for just $19 for a set of 4. This is the Timber Drive structural screw fastening system from Simpson Strong Tie, designed to revolutionize heavy-duty timber construction with ease. With its ergonomic design, you can fasten large structural screws, including those up to 6.3 inches long, from a standing position, reducing fatigue and boosting productivity. The Timber Drive system makes precision easy with a placement tip and depth adjustment feature, ensuring every screw is driven to the perfect depth without the strain of kneeling or bending. And at $900, it's a game changer for handling repetitive, heavy-duty fastening jobs quickly and efficiently. The Bosch JS260 Jigsaw is more than just a cutting tool. It's a precise cutting companion for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its powerful 6.0 amp motor, it handles wood, metal, and plastic with ease, while the variable speed dial lets you adjust the stroke rate for ultimate control, delivering up to 3,100 strokes per minute. Thanks to the toolless blade change system, swapping out T-shank blades is quick and effortless. Lightweight at just 5.3 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, and the built-in dust blower ensures a clear line of sight for perfect cuts every time. The Bosch JS260 Jigsaw is $86. The KNIPEX 903101 Tubix S-pipe cutter is a precision tool that makes cutting pipes fast and easy, perfect for plumbing or HVAC work. With its lightweight aluminum body and high-grade steel cutting wheel, it delivers clean, burr-free cuts on copper, brass, and aluminum pipes up to 35 millimeters in diameter. The quick adjustment mechanism means you can resize it with one hand, and the built-in deburring tool gets your pipes ready for fitting instantly. Weighing just 327 grams, it's both efficient and comfortable to use. The KNIPEX Tubix S-pipe cutter is $80. Meet another game changer, the Skil Twist 2.0, rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver. It's your go-to companion for quick and easy home projects. With its 4-volt lithium-ion battery, you'll have enough power to drive up to 200 screws on a single charge, while the twist handle lets you switch between straight and pistol grip for ultimate comfort. With 5 Newton-meters maximum torque, it provides the strength you need for a variety of tasks. Its lightweight design and built-in LED light make working in tight spaces a breeze, and the USB charging keeps it ready for the next job. Priced at just $30, it's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. The Wera Zyklop Mini One is a small but powerful ratchet tool that's perfect for working in tight spaces where larger tools can't reach. Made from high-quality chrome molybdenum steel, it's built to last and can handle up to 65 Newton-meters of torque, offering both strength and precision. Its fine-toothed ratchet with 60 teeth ensures smooth operation, and at just 85 grams, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Priced at $60, the Zyklop Mini One is a must-have for anyone who values quality and convenience in their toolkit. The Ridgid PC 116 power tubing cutter is not just a tool, but a game-changer for professionals in plumbing and HVAC. With its 12-volt lithium-ion battery, you can effortlessly cut through copper, aluminum, brass, and stainless steel tubing in just seconds. Weighing approximately 2.5 pounds, it has a cutting capacity ranging from 6 mm to 28 millimeters in diameter. The power-driven auto-feed mechanism takes the strain off your hands, while the built-in LED light ensures precision even in low-light environments. Lightweight and compact, it's a must-have for any job site, priced at $499. The Dewalt 20-volt Max Asterisk cordless cable stripper is the perfect tool for electricians who need precision and efficiency in their work. Powered by a 20-volt Max Asterisk lithium-ion battery, this cordless cable stripper handles cables from #6 to 750 MCM with ease. With variable speed control and interchangeable die heads, you get the flexibility you need for different jobs. It's lightweight, at just 5.3 pounds, and includes an e-clutch system for safety, making it a reliable choice for any professional. The Dewalt 20-Vi Max Asterisk cordless cable stripper is $299. The Hilti Nuron PM50M22 multi-line laser isn't just any laser tool. It's built for precision and durability on construction sites. Powered by Hilti's 22-volt Nuron battery, it offers the freedom of cordless use and long runtime. The bright green laser ensures visibility, even over long distances, with a range of up to 65 feet and extending to 164 feet with a laser receiver. With high precision at plot to 1/16" and self-leveling capability, it's perfect for tough jobs. Priced at $1,200, this laser delivers reliable results every time. The Lufkin Compact 4-inch measuring wheel is a reliable companion for anyone needing quick, accurate measurements. Whether you're working on a construction site or landscaping your yard, this lightweight measuring wheel, with its 4-inch diameter and telescopic handle, ensures precision and comfort. Measuring up to 10,000 feet with an accuracy of +1%, it's built to handle tough conditions while staying easy to carry and use. Priced at $40, it's the perfect addition to any toolkit. The Loggerhead Tools Bionic Wrench is a truly innovative hand tool that effortlessly combines the versatility of a wrench with the ease of pliers, making it perfect for any fastening task. With its patented design, it adjusts automatically to fit 14 different sizes of nuts and bolts, providing a secure grip that prevents slipping. The ergonomic rubberized handles ensure comfort, even during long jobs, and its lightweight design means it's easy to carry around. Priced between $30 to $35, it's a must-have tool for any toolkit. The Wolfcraft TC 710 PM tile cutter is built to deliver precision and efficiency for anyone tackling tiling projects, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional. With a 710mm cutting length and the ability to handle tiles up to 12mm thick, this cutter makes working with ceramic and porcelain tiles easy. Its tungsten carbide cutting wheel ensures clean, accurate cuts, and the ergonomic handle provides comfort during use. Lightweight at 7 kilograms, it's portable yet sturdy, making it perfect for both home and job site projects. Priced around $129, it's a reliable addition to your toolkit. The Dewalt Stud Finder is your go-to tool for reliably locating studs behind walls, making drilling, nailing, or mounting tasks a breeze. Built with Dewalt's trusted quality, it detects studs up to 1.5 inches deep with multi-sensor technology that accurately finds the center of studs. Its clear LED indicators and auto-calibration ensure you get precise results every time. Lightweight and compact, this durable tool is perfect for any job site or home project. And it's priced at $30. The Hailo TP1 staircase platform is a practical and secure solution for working on stairs, making tasks like painting, cleaning, and maintenance much easier. Made from durable, lightweight aluminum, it provides a sturdy platform with adjustable feet to adapt to different stair heights. The non-slip surface ensures safety, and its foldable design makes it easy to transport and store. With a load capacity of up to 330 pounds, this platform is perfect for both professionals and DIYers. Priced at $155, it's a must-have for any staircase project. The Makita Cordless Polisher. DPO 600Z is a powerful and versatile tool that brings cordless convenience to automotive detailing, metal polishing, and more. Powered by an 18-volt LXT battery, its brushless motor delivers longer runtime and efficiency. With variable speed control and dual action modes, you can switch between random orbit and forced rotation for perfect results every time. Lightweight at just 5.7 pounds and designed for comfort, it's ideal for extended use. The only tool priced at $300, this polisher is perfect for professionals who demand performance. The Roughneck Gorilla Block Buster Bolster is a tough and reliable hand tool built to make cutting and splitting masonry a breeze. Crafted from drop-forged, hardened steel, it delivers long-lasting strength, while its 100mm wide cutting edge ensures clean, precise splits in bricks, blocks, and paving slabs. The soft grip handle provides comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue even during heavy use. Ideal for construction and landscaping projects, this bolster is priced at $30, making it a solid addition to any toolkit. The Ryobi Rotary tool is a versatile, high-performance tool ideal for a wide range of tasks, from cutting and sanding to grinding and engraving. With a motor that delivers speeds up to 35,000 revolutions per minute, this tool is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need precision. Available in both corded and cordless versions, it's powered by Ryobi's reliable 18-volt 1+ system and features a comfortable grip for long use. Priced at $60, it comes with various accessories to get you started right away. The Microjig GRR-Ripper 2Go is a compact, portable push block that gives you enhanced control, stability, and safety when working with wood on table saws, routers, and band saws. Built with durable, high-strength polymer and equipped with non-slip grip pads, it keeps your workpiece secure while preventing dangerous kickbacks. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for ripping thin stock and guiding smaller pieces with precision. Priced at $30, it's a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. When you can't quite reach a stubborn nut, you might think of welding something to extend your wrench, but that would ruin your tool. Luckily, the Aries 15-inch spanner wrench extender does the job without the hassle. This handy tool attaches directly to your wrench, extending it by 38 centimeters and reducing the force needed to loosen rusted bolts or stuck fasteners. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, it works with various wrench sizes and types, providing superior torque with ease. Priced around $40, it's a game changer for tough jobs. The Dewalt pivoting bit holder is the perfect solution when you need extra control and flexibility for those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. With the ability to pivot up to 20 degrees, it gives you access to tight corners while still locking in for straight-on drilling. Its magnetic tip securely holds your bits, reducing slips, and its durable steel construction ensures it will last. Compact at 6 inches, it's built for easy handling on the job. Priced at $13, this tool is a must-have for anyone who values precision and versatility. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. And join us again soon to explore more amazing inventions and tools. See you next time.